Today we are going to discuss a topic about negative expression related to someone's behavior. So this is negative expression that usually Indonesian people, and these expressions are usually used by teenagers in Indonesia nowadays. So let's learn about this expression. The first is, if you listen Bable means that a word that refers to a behavior that a girl or a boy acts like a child. So means Bable means an expression, a word that relates to like a childhood action. Yeah. Okay. The second is Genteel. Genteel is usually used or referring to a girl's action that she or he she acts or speaks beautifully to get people's attention. So genteel, yeah, that's a negative expression because genteel is not a good action in Indonesia. Okay, genteel is usually used for to a girl action or to a girl behavior. Okay, because she acts or speaks beautifully in order to get people's attention. Okay, the third, cupu. Okay, cupu is a word relates to an experienced boy or girl. If I say cupu banget sih lu, then I can say that you are an experienced boy or girl. Cupu. Okay, yeah. The fourth is lebay. Okay, this word is most used in our daily speaking because lebay means that someone overacts. Yeah, overacting actions. Yeah, someone or she or he does an action over. Okay, so lebay. Yeah. Okay, lemot means that in negative way that we can say that if we say lemot banget sih lu, that you are like a stupid guy. Lemot means that act or think slowly. Yeah, so it is said lemot. Okay, and then Nora. Usually if you find k letter in the final, so the k sound is not clear. Norak, no, but norak. Norak banget sih lu. That you mean that I mean that if you say norak, norak means like someone acts or dresses over in order to get people's attention. Yeah, usually in dresses. Yeah, if you, I mean, you make over your face and then you wear some colorful clothes, that's called Nora. Nora means that the girl or the boy or the man or the woman acts or dresses over in order to get people's attention. Okay? Yeah. Okay. That's Nora. Ndeso or udik. Ndeso or udik or sometimes kampungan means that you act or dress in old fashion. Yeah, not in modern style, but in old fashion. Okay, Ndeso or udik. Yeah, udik means that kampungan, that you come from a small village. Yeah, and you act or dress like non-modern person. Okay, that's called Ndeso or udik. And then the last one is, this is very negative expression. If you say someone lonte, lonte is usually for a girl or a woman. Lonte means a hostess. If someone says to a girl or to a woman lontelu, means that she or she acts like a hostess. Yeah, the way she speaks, the way she dresses, or the way she, open up mean, yeah, that's negative. Yeah, it's like a hostess. Okay, let's start from ababil, centil, cupu, lebay, lemot, Nora, deso or udi, or the last one is lonte. I do hope this expression will be helpful for you to understand when Indonesian people speak in your surroundings. Thank you so much. I'm Gunawan Tamusaribu. I'll see you next with other topic. Goodbye.